Moringa leaves are growing very fertile in Indonesia, as is the case in the province of Aceh. However, not many people know that moringa leaves contain substances that are beneficial to health. Moringa leaves are a natural supplement that can be used by pregnant women to prevent anemia and various other ingredients that help the growth and development of the fetus in the uterus. But these leaves have not yet been developed into health products that are mass-produced and become a wealth of food or supplement that are useful for preventing anemia and stunting. The people of Aceh only use it as vegetables and traditional medicine for the elderly. This is also rare. The health of pregnant women and babies is currently an issue in the transformation of health service in Indonesia. The health of pregnant women and newborns is of concern to the government because cases of anemia and stunting are still high in Aceh. This theme is focused on being addressed by involving the government and academic stroke research. The Aceh Ministry of Health Poltekkes lectures feel is it important that together with the government and the community help solve the problem of anemia in pregnant women and stunting in newborns in Aceh. One way is by empowering herbal research in the community by developing existing local wisdom. Anemia in pregnant women has an impact on the baby being smaller in weight, which is less than 2,500 grams, and body length shorter than 48 cm. Cases of anemia are considered normal by some people, even though natural research to overcome anemia are so easy to get. It's just the development of clinical trials need to be trusted to the public and good processing procedure for moringa leaf, so that their use becomes more optimal for pregnant women. Research data shows that stunting in Aceh reached 33.2%, or the third highest in Indonesia. The highest stunting group was aged 0 until 59 months. Stunting has been demonstrated by body length less 48 cm. Even though the birth weight rate has decreased from 22.6% in 2018. Meanwhile, the incidence of stunting in Aceh Besar and Aceh PD is high compared to other districts. The incidence of stunting in Aceh Besar is 32.4%, and in Kabupaten PD it is 39.3%. The result of the study also found that moringa leaf powder, 40% of the powder obtained Fe 22.68 ppm, so it can be used to prevent anemia in pregnant women. Moringa leaves exhibit a valuable nutritional composition which includes 21 until 40% protein, 21 until 42% lipid, and 10 until 25% dietary fiber. The process: pick moringa leaf which are green and good color, then dried and made it into powder. Moringa leaf powder used as food, intake, supplement, capsule for pregnant women. At this time, the leaves were picked to be tested in a chemical laboratory and tested on rate. The results of this extract are divided into two types of examination. The first part is to be tested at chemical laboratory to examine the chemical content and nutritional elements contained in moringa leaves, while the other part was brought for testing on animals. Those are red. We have prepared moringa extract to be tested on interventions group and the control group. The trial rats must be prepared for each control group where 5 rats are used. In this test, it takes 25 until 30 rats. If it dies, the rats can be retested and reproduced. The rats we test were pregnant. We divide the rats into 5 test groups. But before being given the moringa leaf extract, the mother's hemoglobin were checked. After the baby rats were born, we measured their weight, head circumference, and body length. The test results showed that rats given moringa leaf extract had higher hemoglobin than the parents given only distilled water. Likewise, the mother who was given moringa leaf extract, the anthropometric of the baby who was born was bigger. Then, in order the moringa capsule can be given to pregnant women, we have to arrange an official distribution permit for moringa leaf capsule from BPOM, or the Indonesia Food and Drug Authority.